Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift code or some sort of voucher on your PS4. So we can just go on over to the PlayStation Store. The easiest way to do this is simply, if we scroll on down on the left side here, past all these different options, we have redeem codes right here. We can just select it, then enter in your 12-digit voucher code or prepaid PlayStation card number. So you can use a 10-digit discount code, add one or more items to your cart, and enter in your discount before checkout. So this is where you would enter that code in right here. Now if you do have like a code on checkout or something like that, we can just go to our cart and select this, and then we can enter the discount code right here if you have something in your cart. So you should be good to go. And then you can check your wallet balance under here too. So if you add funds to your account, you can see my current wallet is $5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Studios.